Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Tahoe and I will show you all the power outlets and cigarette lighter fuses. This video will apply to Chevy Tahoes made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Okay, so the main power outlet and cigarette lighter fuse will be located in a fuse box under the front hood, which is right here on the driver's side. Now, to remove this cover, you actually have to push this cover towards the left and you have to lift it over these two black tabs, one here and one there on the other side. So just want to kind of actually pull it towards this side and lift it over. Okay, just like that. And once you have the cover off, on the back side you also have a nice small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check here, it's a fuse number 53, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located right here in the middle of fuse box. And this is the fuse responsible for power to the main front cigarette lighter and the power outlet. Now you will have two more fuses to check and they will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin on the left side of the dashboard, just behind this cover. To remove the cover, you just want to pull it towards yourself. And again, on the back side of the cover, you will have a small fuse diagram. Now the first fuse you want to check here, it's a fuse number 2, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located up here, responsible for power to rear power outlets. And the last fuse to check will be fuse number 16, which is a yellow fuse in the middle of the fuse box, responsible for power to accessory power outlets. So in total you will have 3 fuses to check. One in the main fuse box under the front hood and 2 in this small fuse box here. Now, if all these fuses prove to be good and one of your power outlets is still not working, you will have to look at the possible wiring issue or a failed power outlet itself. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.